On the Carnival Venezia, you will encounter something called destination elevators. What you're going to want to do is walk up to the panel here and wave your hand in front of it to activate it. And once it illuminates, select the deck that you want to go to.
10, car A.
And as you just saw and heard, the panel will let you know which elevator you're headed to, both visually and verbally. Every elevator is assigned a different letter. In this case, I was assigned elevator A. And a chime will play at that elevator, and the light panel with the letter A next to the elevator will illuminate so I know which elevator to go to. Now, let's try that again, except this time assume there are 2 people in your party. The elevator apportions space based on how many times it's requested, so you need to request it twice for 2 people.
10, car C. 10, car C.
Once inside the elevator, you'll see a display that will show you all of the floors that this particular elevator is headed to. But you'll notice that there are no buttons to select a floor. Don't worry, there is a button to open or close the doors, so you can do that if you find yourself stuck on one. Now, on some of the more high traffic areas, you may see a sign like this one that shows you how to use the elevator, to select your deck on the terminal, and read the elevator sign. Once you do so, that large screen will update to show you which floors are assigned to which elevators. Unfortunately, people have found this to be a bit of a struggle, so let's see this one more time. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please click like and don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos on how to travel effectively on Carnival cruises.